back, guys. This is Dukeboyz Garage. With you always is Nick Mac. On today's episode, we're going to upgrade my 2014 Kingquad here. We're going to give her a set of new Snorkel risers. I'm going to be replacing the ones I put in that it looks like a bunch of plumbing. I don't understand. It does look nice, don't get me wrong, but it doesn't look as nice as this. This is Snorkel Your ATVs Warrior risers. It looks like it's a two-part construction. It's got lines for your vent lines so they're not hanging out all over the place. It's even got a cap that goes over it with a pre-filter in it so you don't get dust in your air box, so it's less maintenance on your air filter. And all in all, I think it'll make it look better and definitely perform better. Alright, let's get this party started. Step 1, removing the old Snorkel risers. If I were you, I'd just go order Snorkel Your ATVs snorkel kit, because the amount of time and effort I've put into this thing, it's just unreal. Et voila! Okay, now that we got the old risers out of the way, step 2, mocking up the new riser. Okay, I've ran into a problem. This is why I just say go buy a Snorkel Your ATVs kit and not make your own and try to adapt other people's stuff to your stuff, because now I'm having a problem with my handlebar guard hitting the outside snorkel. So I think I'm just going to cut the handle guard. Instead of cutting the handlebar, I actually figured out that the handlebar will clear it as long as I lowered the outside risers. So all I did was take the clamp, which was this size, and I cut it right in half, and I just put it in right here, clamped it up. The handlebars don't hit anymore. So now I'm just gonna disassemble everything and clean up all the joints and everything and glue them all up, and should be ready to rock. Okay, moving on to step 3, paint. Snorkel Your ATVs risers come in the basic black. You can paint them whatever color you want. I chose to paint mine yellow to match my quad, and just do a little paint. I didn't want to paint the whole riser, so I just did the caps, and I did lettering with a yellow paint pen. And yeah, it turned out really nice. Makes the machine look really nice. It looks more factory now than, you know, the ABS plumbing sticking out everywhere. But hey, whatever works, works. So my all-in-all impression of the Snorkel Your ATV risers is a good impression. I really like it. They've stepped the bar up, you know. they make it look nice. Like this machine looks like it's a factory part now. Like it doesn't look like it's just hodgepodge together with, you know, bits and parts. I did have a couple problems when I was putting the pre-filters in and the end caps. They told me to use super glue, but for some reason super glue didn't want to stick, so I ended up using 2-part epoxy, no biggie. Other than that, most of the problems were with the way I snorkeled the machine, make it fit, but it worked out and it looks nice. So 2 thumbs up, Snorkeler ATV. You can find a link to their website in the description below. I am no way sponsored by Snorkeler ATV or anything. I just, you know what, if I use a product that I like a lot, I'm going to tell people about it, and hopefully they use it too, because I'm very happy with it. So yeah, so if you like what you've seen in this video, please like and subscribe, leave a comment so I know what you like and what you didn't like. So yeah, this has been Dukeboyz Garage. I'm Nick Mac. Happy trails, everybody.